Hello everyone, I'm Santosh Zavai, and today I'm presenting my Capstone project, a CrisisMind AI, Autonomous Infrastructure Risk Prediction Agent. A CrisisMind AI is an AI-powered climate intelligence platform designed to help government, smart cities, and the organizations proactively predict the infrastructure risks caused by the climate related such as flood, heat wave, and extreme weather conditions. This platform combines of predictive analytics, explainable AI, conversation AI, scenario simulations, automated report generations. The climate change is increasing frequently, and severity like a flooding, heat waves, infrastructure failures, water scarcity, extreme weather conditions. Today, the decision makers faces several challenges. Like a climate data is a fragmented across multiple systems. The existing tools are reactive rather than the predictive. The risk information is difficult to interpret, and there's a limited explainability and actionable guidance. As a result, cities often responded to the disasters occur instead of the prepared beforehand. So this solution, the Crisis Mind AI transforms the raw climate information and data into the real-time risk assessments, AI-powered recommendations, a conversation insights, a scenario-based planning, and automated execution reports to support the productive and proactive decision making to improve the urban resilience. Let's see the demo for this. So this is how the this Crisis Mind AI looks like. So current my city is Mumbai. Based on the Mumbai, the data is full up. So in the search box, if I search another city, London, and that will give me the details about the London conditions. So currently in London, the overall risk is moderate. The primary threat is heat wave, and the status is already moderate. If you go down, there is a top risk cities like if you are seeing Mumbai, Tokyo, London, and Singapore based on the data that we can find out. So we have that Mumbai and Tokyo is in the high alert, and the global cities also we can show up on here. Along with that, there's a global risk monitor where actually we can see all the cities and what exactly the risk they have. Like Mumbai is currently facing the threat flood as a flood issue is there. Scenario-based simulator. So we have a simulator scenarios like where we can just change the scenarios like I increase the percentage of the rainfall, and if I run the particular simulation, it gives a complete scenario like what exactly happened. If I the rain flood risk will increase. If I give the rain percentage is 62, the temperature and all, so it will give you the recommendations like what exactly we need to do. So active flood creek mitigations measures for immediately. So this is how the simulator works, like where we can just change the percentile and probably that will give us the complete scenario. Along with that, like we have the crisis copilot, like if I can search some details, like it's a chatbot. What is a risk in Mumbai? So if I search for the Mumbai risk, it gives me the details like what exactly the risk is there, and it gives me a summary, the key risk factors, and the recommendation what we need to do. Those details it will tell us. Along with that, like we get the details like what exactly the temperature, the total risk number, and the rain resilient intelligence, the infrastructure details. Those details will come up. The flood conditions, the heat wave, or power outage chances, those details are there. These are the like more deep dive details like a flow drivers, heat drivers, and outage drivers details are shows up. So this is how the dashboard looks like. But we, if we can go further, then we have the compare cities like where we can check the Mumbai and London city, and we can just compare the details about it, like how exactly the conditions over here in Mumbai and the London. That kind of details we can search. We have an infrastructure tab where actually we can check for the like currently I search for the London, what exactly the infrastructure condition, like city resilience is 78.1%, power grid is 82%, the emergency coverage is 95%, the drainage is 70%. So critical infrastructure assets is 12, the monitor is critical facility. So explanatory section, like where actually AI executive briefing will happen, like what exactly city I selected. Based on that, it gives you complete details about it. And along with that, we can create the report out of it. Like it just gives the report like city risk report and infrastructure report, experimental report, and executive reports. These reports are analytical reports. We can get the latest report and historical reports also we can get it. So if I just want to look for the particular report, so this is how it looks like. So this is like a basic information where actually based on your risk, based on your executive summary, based on your explainability, it will give you the complete list of details. And that reports can be helpful for the government bodies and any climate control uh, parties to just take action proactively rather than the reactive things. This is how it is, and just to make sure that everything can be controlled or proactively take the actions on it. So we can use this kind of application to just help general bodies with that. So the basically climate change is one of the biggest challenge that we have in the modern cities along with the urban cities as well. The CrisisMind AI demonstrates how artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, and conversational intelligence can help each other and make the cities become the more resilient and prepared for the future for the climate risk. By transforming the complex climate information into the actionable insights, CrisisMind enables the organizations to do the predictive risk and earlier, to make the informed decision, and to improve the infrastructure resilience and protect the communities and critical assets. That's how it is. And this is all about the crisis mind. Thank you.